No time to feel sorry for myself. Keep myself together, wake up, shake it off. Come on. I thought I needed more. Thought I needed more. Needed more. Fix the situation, find a destination, get it all on board. I can almost see it. I can almost touch it. I feel it near me, it's so close. Just a little longer. You know I'm getting warmer. You know that I will get there. You know that I will get there. You know that I will get there.